Hey guys, connect your headsets. Let's hit the road.
Yeah, sounds good.
System starting. Mesh intercom on.
Sena's 30K, using Bluetooth and mesh intercom technology, has made connecting groups easier and faster than ever. In the press of a single button, every available headset nearby can be paired, getting you and your group out on the road faster than ever.
Guys, let's ride for a bit, then stop for lunch at the grill.
Sounds good. Yeah.
Sena's mesh intercom is self-healing and allows riders to easily join and leave the group without breaking the connection.
All right, I'll race you there.
There goes Tom again. Nice shortcut, dude.
I bet you didn't go the speed limit.
Always do.
Hey, I got this Bluetooth device. Can I still tag along?
No problem. I can Bluetooth pair with you, mess with the other guys, and then we'll all be connected.
Intercom pairing.
Technology should never leave anyone behind. Easily connect with both Bluetooth and mesh intercom, allowing you to communicate with all Sena users. This is the Sena 30K.